My name is Ezenwa Onyewuchi, and I represent Imo East Senatorial District. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I come under Order 41 and 51 of our standing orders, Mr. President. With your permission, I will read, Mr. President.
Let us, before we allow you to do that, let us honor the soul of the departed Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu by observing 1 minute silence in his honor.
Thank you, Mr. President.
May we rise?
And I read, the matter for discussion shall, if possible, be referred to the President of the Senate before commencement of the day's sitting, and the President of the Senate shall refuse to allow the claim unless he is satisfied that the matter is definitely urgent, is definite and urgent. If the claim is allowed by the President of the Senate and the leave of the Senate is given by at least 1/5 of all the senators, the matter shall stand over to the next legislative day. Order 51, Mr. President. Notice shall not be dispensed with in the case of a motion or in respect of any other proceeding for which notice is required, except with the consent of the President of the Senate and the general assent of the senators present. Mr. President, I'd like to crave your indulgence and the support of my distinguished colleagues to announce to this distinguished Senate the demise of a foremost politician, a patriot, and a statesman, Chief Dr. Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu Aheja Gamba of Igbo land. Thank you, Mr. President.
Distinguished colleagues, our brother brought this unfortunate demise to my notice yesterday and said he would and sought the permission to raise it in chambers today. And there is no gainsaying that Chief Iwuanyanwu was a great Nigerian. Therefore, I'd like to ask you, is it the view of the Senate that he be allowed to proceed on that matter of urgent national importance? Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. You may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues. Distinguished President of the Senate, esteemed colleagues, it is with a profound sense of loss and deep respect that I stand to inform the Senate of the demise, as well as pay tribute to an illustrious son of Nigeria, a distinguished statesman, a true patriot, President of Ohaneze Ndi Igbo Worldwide, Chief Dr. Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu. His demise on Thursday, July 25, 2024, after a brief illness at the age of 82, has left an indelible void in the hearts of many across the nation. Chief Iwuanyanwu was a man of many parts, a renowned businessman, philanthropist, political leader, and media mogul. His contributions to Nigeria's economic, political, and social spheres were nothing short of monumental. As founder of Champion newspapers and a key player in diverse business ventures, Chief Iwuanyanwu not only created opportunities for countless Nigerians, but also contributed significantly to the growth of the Nigerian economy. His name became synonymous with integrity, innovation, and unyielding dedication to the betterment of our great country. His leadership of the Apex Socio-Cultural Organization of Igbos in Nigeria and in the diaspora, Ohaneze, marked a period of renewed focus on the cultural, political, and economic aspirations of the Igbo nation, advocating for unity and collaboration among communities and promoting peace and understanding across ethnic divide. As a committed public servant and political leader, Chief Iwuanyanwu worked tirelessly for national unity and progress, his leadership in politics, his service as member of various national committees, and his active role in shaping Nigeria's democratic evolution speak to his deep commitment to a stable, just, and prosperous Nigeria. He was a true advocate of the people, consistently striving for policies that uplift the less privileged and empower the voiceless. His legacy extends beyond the corridors of business and politics. He was a philanthropist at heart, with a passion for education and youth empowerment. Through the Iwuanyanwu Foundation, he provided scholarships